Now, there's a misnomer that after you die, the bills stop. That's it. You can't be sued. But what if I told you that your legal battles might only be getting started? Yes, you can be sued after death. Not your soul, of course, but your estate. And if your family isn't ready, they can be the ones holding the bag. Welcome to The Claims Whisperer, where we unlock the mysteries of insurance claims and lawsuits so you don't have to. I'm here to help you navigate the fine print and protect your peace while you're here and your family's peace after you're gone. Now, let's break it all down. When a person dies, everything they owned, their home, car, money, jewelry, becomes part of their estate. It's just a legal term for everything you left behind. And guess what? The estate becomes its own legal entity, which means it can be sued just like a person. So let's just say that you were in a car accident and you were deemed to be at fault. Now, the other person was seriously hurt. But before they could file a lawsuit, you passed away. Well, they can still sue. Well, not sue you directly, but your estate. And the money they win comes right out of what you left behind. So just think about it like this. If you had a will, your executor handles all of this. If you didn't, the court appoints someone called an administrator, and that person deals with your estate. Their job is to settle your debts, pay your taxes, and to respond to any lawsuits filed against your estate. Now, here's the caveat. It's not just lawsuits. Creditors like credit card companies can come after your estate as well. They file a claim during probate, and if the claim is valid, it gets paid before your family ever sees a dime of any money that you left behind. So here's how the process works. Step one, your estate is opened in probate court. Step two, an executor or administrator is assigned. Step three, creditors, claimants, and even people suing your estate have a short window to file. Then step four, the executor can accept, deny, or fight those claims in court. And then step five, if the claim is successful, the judgment gets paid from the estate. So let's just say that you agreed to build a deck for someone before you passed away, but never completed the job. They can sue your estate for breach of contract, and the money comes out of what your family inherits. And this is why planning ahead matters. It's not just about a will, it's about making sure that your family doesn't get blindsided by legal drama after you're gone. So, in short, your estate can be sued after your death. Creditors, injured parties, or even people with unfinished contracts can file a claim against your estate. Now, if they win, those payouts come directly from what your family was expecting to inherit. Now, I'm the claims whisperer, where we demystify and decode all things insurance and claims. Now, I'm not an attorney, but I bring over 30 years of deep, extensive experience in mediations, arbitrations, trials, and other complex settlements of every kind. So don't forget to subscribe and share the video because this is news you can actually use. And as always, thank you for tuning in to the Claims Whisperer. And I will see you on the next video.